Hello everyone and welcome back to the Sport Horizon YouTube channel. I'm Jay, one of the data tutors, and in today's Power BI for Sport tutorial I'm going to continue with the ID creation series and showcase how to create weak IDs. So, what are weak IDs? Weak IDs showcase the week number in accordance to the session date. Weak IDs are useful as it provides consistent data aggregation and it adds an extra layer of filtering to your data. I'm now going to jump straight into the tutorial and show you how to create weak IDs. So the very first thing that you want to do is you want to have Power BI set up and you want to have your data already loaded in. After that, you want to go into the Power Query editor. So to do that, you want to go into the Home tab here and click on Transform Data. After that's been loaded, you should see your data set appear. The very first thing you want to do is you want to focus on your date column. In this instance, I have session date, and as you can see, a very common issue has occurred. Power BI has interpreted this incorrectly. It's interpreted our session date as a number when it should be interpreted as a date. This has subsequently led to the formatting being incorrect. So we want to change this so it's formatted as a date. So to do that, we're going to click on this icon here and click on date. Add new step. And as you can see, it has now been formatted correctly. After that's been done, we can jump straight into creating the week number itself. So to do that, we want to have session date selected, go into add column, go into date, go into week, and then go into week of year. And as you can see, a week number has now been generated. The very first thing that you want to do after this has been loaded up, you want to change the name of the column to week number. It's always best practice to do this. After you've done that, we can now jump straight into actually creating the week ID column calculation itself. So to do that, we want to go into add column at the top here and click on custom column. We want to name this column week ID, and now you've just got to think of what you want your week ID to be made up of. So this is completely up to you, but one thing I do highly recommend is that you need a unique identifier. So this could be a player ID or the player name. So in this case, I'm going to go with player name. So to do that, I'm going to open up the bracket, a square bracket specifically, and type in player full name. After that, I also want an underscore beneath all of the elements within within this calculation. This is just so it's a lot more easier to read. So to do that, we can have an and symbol, and then we're going to open up some quotation marks so it's formatted as text, and implement an underscore. And then we can have another and symbol, and we can have a week number at the end. So what this consists of is the player full name with an underscore and then the week number itself. We're going to click OK now. And as you can see, it says error. I'm now going to show you why this error has occurred. So you want to jump straight back into the calculation. So to do that, you want to click on this setting icon here. And the reason as to why an error was generated was because week number has been formatted as a number as opposed to text. And in terms of this calculation, in order for an error to not appear, it all needs to be consistent. This is a text, the player full name, the underscore is a text, but the week number is actually a number. So we want to convert this week number to a text, specifically within the calculation itself. So to do that, we can use a text.from function. So just before the square bracket, we're going to type in text.from, and you want to open the bracket and then close the bracket at the end, and you want to click OK. And as you can see, a week ID has now been generated without any errors. I really hope you found this tutorial useful. If you have, please click the thumbs up button and click subscribe too. Definitely check out our website as well. Link to that will be in the description down below. And I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Bye bye.